Hi guys, and you're welcome back once again to LearnCity. In our class today, we are going to talk about manufacturing accounts. We are going to talk about the meaning of manufacturing accounts and as well as the purpose of manufacturing accounts. After we talk about the purpose, we are going to move into the terminologies as it relates to manufacturing accounts. Also, we are going to talk about the preparation of manufacturing trading profit or loss account. So, without wasting much of your time, first off, what's the meaning of manufacturing account? From the word manufacturing, right? We are going to apply it to manufacturing account. The manufacturing account, in ordinary sense, can be used by businesses that produces products or goods. It is a tool that companies can use to help manage the finances and inventory of a manufacturing company. This account can track production costs, materials used, and inventory levels. And also, manufacturing accounts can also help businesses to manage their cash flow and budget for future production. Let's now talk about the manufacturing business, that is, the business of manufacturing. The manufacturing business is an enterprise that produces physical goods either through machine or labor to sell to their particular customers. Moreover, it is dubbed a complete business because it buys the raw materials that is used to create a product before selling it. It can be small businesses, large business, or even global corporations. Manufacturing businesses must prepare a manufacturing account as part of their internal financial statement. So guys, after talking about that, let's now go into the types of manufacturing accounts. Businesses use several manufacturing accounts, right? But the most common one are raw materials, direct labor, overhead, and work in progress. After work in progress, finished goods, and also cost of goods sold. Each of these accounts that I said, each of them represents a different step in production process. Let's now take them one after the other. That is, I'm going to explain all those items I made mention earlier. The first one that I said was raw material. The raw material account is the first stage in the manufacturing process. It is the initial process that will entail first in manufacturing process. And this account tracks all of the raw materials or physical items that is necessary to create a product. This includes any items that is used in the production process but is not yet part of the finished product. So let's go to the direct labor manufacturing account, which is the second one among the items I said earlier, right? In the ordinary sense, the direct labor manufacturing account, it helps to track all of the wages that was paid to workers that are involved directly in the production process. The actual hours spent on producing goods are the only thing that will be recorded in this type of account. And this can include wages paid to workers who operate the machines, assembly of products, or package the goods. Let me go to the next one, which is overhead manufacturing account. The overhead manufacturing account, it helps to track all of the costs associated with running a manufacturing businesses because it represents all production items, not solely used for any one product. This includes, let me use glue, oil, rent, utilities, insurance, and even property taxes. So that's that about that. Let me now go into the work in progress manufacturing account. You know, work in progress, WIP, is among the items I said earlier, right? The work in progress manufacturing account, it helps to track all of the costs that is associated with producing a product. As items enter the production, this account balance increases and the balance decreases once the company completes goods as dollar amounts enter the finished goods. The next one is the finished goods manufacturing account. From the words finished goods, the finished goods manufacturing account, it helps to represent all finished products that is ready for sale. And the cost for products remains here until the company sells the goods to their distributors or customers. The next one is the cost of goods sold manufacturing account. The cost of goods sold manufacturing account tracks all inventory sold by the firm or an organization. This dollar figure is a periodic cost. Companies only incur the cost of goods sold when they sell their inventory. And this manufacturing account is the final stage of a company's production process. So guys, that's that about the different manufacturing accounts.